Our Italian-made E-flute market trays are perfect for displaying and transporting gourmet items. These trays are made from ribbed E-flute paperboard and have die-cut carry handles on the sides. These sturdy trays have folding assembly for a secure finished product. Use these convenient market trays to arrange your gourmet food and gift items in style. Simply fill with confetti shred, tissue paper, or other basket fill material, and place your items on top. To assemble your market tray, start by pre-creasing your folds. Pull the front and back sides of the box away from each other, then fold the side flap down over them. Tabs will lock into the base of the box. Repeat this process with the other side. Push in your die-cut handles and your tray is complete. Visit splashpackaging.com to see other creative ways to package your gift and gourmet items.